Most physicians spend years mastering medicine, getting board certified, learning about their craft. And we even in clinics say the same things over and over and over again. I mean, most of us can do these consults in our sleep, right? So why not use that education, use that knowledge to build trust with future patients? YouTube is a fantastic platform for doing this. I'm Dr. Jen. I'm actually double boarded in OBGYN and integrative medicine. I built a practice where I practice precision medicine, functional medicine, integrative medicine. And a lot of people who are in this space and a lot of patients who I see have to first be educated on this type of medicine because it's outside of the traditional box. And for me, using YouTube, which is a fantastic platform for not only SEO to your website, building trust, educating the patient on what you do and why they may be looking for you, is a fantastic way. So in my upcoming talk with Somi Docs on how to leverage YouTube as getting patients into your practice, I'm going to show you kind of how I did this process and maybe some ideas for how you could build your YouTube channel to build trust and authority and educate your future patients on what you do, because they're probably looking for you. YouTube is an amazing platform where most people are like, how do I fix my menopause? What do I do if I want to have better skin? Like, they're searching for these answers, and you're probably the answer. So join me on my talk. Let's talk about how we can leverage YouTube, this phenomenal platform for education, getting patients in our practice, and whatever else. I mean, if you're someone who wants to build authority so you can do speaking engagements, I can mention that as well. So look forward to seeing you in the upcoming conference.